Welcome to the top best. The best face steamer is probably one of the most underrated tools in your skincare arsenal. Today, we're diving deep into the world of facial steaming, exploring a kit designed to elevate your at-home spa experience. We'll uncover how this simple device can transform your skincare routine, opening pores, hydrating your skin, and enhancing the absorption of your favorite products, all while providing a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Number 5. Cliganic Organic Jojoba Oil, 4 ounces. Introducing Cliganic Organic Jojoba Oil. This product is a versatile, natural solution for your beauty routine. It's designed to nourish your face, hair, skin, and nails. This jojoba oil is proudly USDA organic certified. This ensures the highest quality and integrity. You can trust it to be pure and effective. It's a single ingredient product with no synthetic additives. This means you're getting the purest form of jojoba oil. It's gentle and effective. This oil offers remarkable benefits for your face, hair, and body. It's suitable for all skin types. Use it to enhance your natural beauty. This product is non-GMO project verified, certified vegan, and cruelty-free. It's sustainably sourced and minimally processed. Feel good about what you're using. What we like. This organic jojoba oil is a versatile product. It's perfect for moisturizing your face, hair, skin, and nails. If you are looking for a natural, multi-purpose oil that is also vegan and cruelty-free, you should consider it. What people say. The oil feels lightweight and absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. The bottle is a good size and comes with a dropper, which makes application easy and mess-free. I have used this product for about 4 months. It does amazing things to your skin. It has reduced the fine lines and wrinkles. It is not heavy at all. I use it on my face and my hair, on my hands, and especially on my legs in the summer, and they are so silky smooth and shiny and soft all the time. Number 4. DERMORA Golden Glow Under Eye Patches. These travel size packs are perfect for on-the-go use. It's small, light, and easy to carry. You can easily stash them in your carry-on. This product helps to get rid of puffiness and dark circles under your eyes. It will make you look refreshed and revitalized. You can carry on with your daily skincare routine and errands without any hassle. It's a quick and easy way to look your best. Just patch it on, and you'll look like you got a full night's sleep. This eye treatment gel will make you look fresh even after an all-nighter. It refreshes your skin and gives you a youthful glow. You'll love how it makes you look and feel. What we like. These under-eye patches are designed to quickly reduce puffiness and lighten dark circles. The travel-sized packs make it easy to take with you. If you are looking for a quick and easy way to refresh your look, especially when traveling, you should consider them. What people say. The steamer is easy to use and the water tank is easy to fill. It has a nice design and is easy to store. The facial steamer is a great product for deep cleaning. Number 3. Amconsure Nano Ionic Facial Steamer. This facial steamer offers multiple benefits. It adds moisture to dry skin, opens pores for better product absorption, and reduces acne and blackheads. The warm mist also purifies the skin and boosts blood circulation. The Nano Ionic Steam improves blood circulation and cell vitality. It enhances the absorption of your beauty creams, leading to a healthier complexion. It also promotes drainage of sinuses and airways. This steamer generates nano-ionic steam in just 30 seconds. It turns water into microfine particles for a powerful, consistent mist. You can enjoy a relaxing steam session for up to 10 minutes. The hot mist opens pores and removes toxins and makeup residue. It allows for deep penetration of water molecules, promoting skincare absorption. This helps to remove the stratum corneum and activates cell vitality. The Amconsure facial steamer is compact and easy to use. It features a one-touch button for simple operation. Plus, it comes with a free 5-piece blackhead extractor kit for perfect skin after every use. What we like. This facial steamer uses nano-ionic technology for deep hydration and improved skin absorption. It also comes with a bonus skin kit. If you have dry skin or want to enhance the effectiveness of your skincare routine, you should consider this. What people say. This facial steamer exceeded my expectations. It's easy to use, generates steam quickly, and helps open pores for a deep cleansing. Since I started using it, my skin has become cleaner and softer. Plus, the included accessories are very practical for complementing your facial care routine. Works well. Not too hot, controlled temperature, great for getting last bit of makeup off. I have so far used it about 7 times and I find it effective, and a small quantity of reverse osmosis water goes a long way. You don't have to wait too long for the steam to start, and the steamer size is compact. It fits easily on your countertop in the bathroom. Number 2. EZBASICS 2-in-1 Ion Hair and Facial Steamer. This steamer provides valuable nutrients to your hair, preventing breakage and split ends. It treats brittle and damaged hair, moisturizing your scalp to prevent dandruff. It gives your hair that healthy and shiny look. The facial steamer function moisturizes and enhances your skin. It opens and cleans pores, exfoliates dead skin, and removes dirt and excess oil. This leaves your skin looking and feeling fresh, smooth, and radiant. The advanced PTC ceramic heating element vaporizes clean water, producing strong steam. These ionized particles are up to 10x more effective at penetrating your hair and skin. This allows for better absorption of your skincare products. It's extremely easy to use and conveniently sized. Each product comes with easy-to-follow instructions for a professional spa experience at home. The portable design allows you to use it at home, while traveling, or even at a salon. Each unit is professionally made and quality tested. Safety features include a beep and auto turn-off when water levels are low. It also comes with a full, easy-to-read instruction and safety manual. It's an ideal gift for any occasion. What we like. This steamer offers both hair and facial steaming functions. The ionized steam penetrates deeply for better results. If you like a versatile product that can be used for both hair and facial treatments, you should consider it. What people say. It's now a new service option to add to any wash and blow dry. Clients love the way the facial mask feels as it gently glides over the face, opening pores and the inhalation benefits of essential oils. I also offer the hair steam, which is very popular. It produces stronger, healthier, and dandruff-free hair. It's easy to set up using water, and with a push of a button, the machines are working. Great beauty device. The hooded steamer option provides an indulgent spa-like experience, something I've been wanting to add to my home equipment. It evenly distributes steam throughout my hair, opening up the cuticles and allowing deep conditioning treatments to penetrate deeply. The wand face steamer is an added bonus. It's perfect for a relaxing facial treatment that leaves my skin feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. The gentle steam helps to open up pores, cleanse impurities, and promote a healthy complexion. Number 1. Facial Steamer Spa Kit with 6 Skin Care Tools. Want a spa day without leaving your house? This facial steamer kit offers a refreshing and relaxing experience. It helps you achieve your dream skin with a simple 3-step regime. The hot mist from this device works wonders on your face. It softens pores and helps remove blackheads and whiteheads. It also enhances the effectiveness of your skincare products. Using Nano Ionic technology, it produces finer particles for better results. It also has a towel warmer and humidifier. You can even add essential oils for a relaxing experience. This kit comes with a headband and 4 extraction tools. These tools elevate your skincare routine. They help you achieve a more thorough and effective cleanse. It's compact, sturdy, and easy to use. Made with high-quality materials, your satisfaction is guaranteed. It's the perfect gift to show your loved ones you care. What we like. This facial steamer provides a spa-like experience with a 3-step regime. The Nano Ionic technology enhances effectiveness. If you are looking for a complete facial treatment kit with extra tools, you should consider it. What people say. The face steamer is easy to use and has a sleek design. It effectively cleanses and hydrates the skin. The kit includes a blackhead remover kit, which is a bonus. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.